Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the easiest strategy that you can use to earn yourself free repo coin, also known as XRP, into your Binance account without having to make any single investment over it. Alright, so right now, stick around, do not skip this video. Make sure you pay close attention to all that I'm going to be saying right now, because I'm going to be unveiling to you guys the easiest strategy to use and earn yourself free XRP into your Binance account without making any single investment over it. Even gas fee, you don't need to pay any gas fee for you to make the withdrawal. All right, so all you need for you to be able to earn this free XRP that I'm going to be teaching you how to earn on this video is to simply you need your smartphone and an internet connection, and you are good to go. All right, so that's all you need for you to start earning. So right now, let's start on how we can be able to do that. All right, but before that, if you are new to our channel, I want to also introduce you to our BNB giveaway campaign that we run on this channel. So if you are new to the channel and you want to participate on the free BNB giveaway that we do on this channel, all you have to do is simply get to subscribe using this button right here if you haven't subscribed yet. All right, so once you just subscribe, you simply click on this bell and select all, so that when we post the new video, you are going to be the first person to get notified about it. After that guys, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, then share this video to any social platform of your choice or to anybody, and you get to come right here on the comment section and get to put a nice and interesting comment right there, so that you are gonna be among the people that's gonna be chosen, because we choose our winners from the comment section. And when you are done doing all this, you have qualified for our free BNB giveaway that we run on this channel. All right, right now let's go back and talk about how to do that. Or before that, on our Telegram channel, that is where we announce our winners. So you get to join us right here on our Telegram channel, because this is where we publish information that's gonna help you earn from this crypto space. And also right here, this is where we announce our winners. So over here, these are the last week free BNB winners already announced right here. So get to join us right here to get to know if you're among the winners or not. So right now, let's go back to our Binance account and get to talk about how we can be able to earn ourselves free XRP and get to withdraw it straight into our Binance account. All right, so a link is going to be dropped on the description of this video. Make sure you use the link to get started right now and follow the procedure that I'm going to be teaching you right now. Pay close attention to this and get to follow my step right about now. So once you click the link, it will take you to where you're going to be downloading this app on your Play Store. So if you're using Apple Store, I don't know if it's available on the Apple Store, you can just check it out. But if you're using your Android, you should simply go ahead and download this XRP faucet. And when you are done installing it, you go ahead and click on play. All right, so once you click on play, this will load you immediately and get to take you into where you're going to be creating your account. But if you already have an account, this is going to be taking you straight into your dashboard. All right, so right here you can see right here I have already got 0.3 XRP right here by just playing a simple thing, doing a simple thing on this app. And I'm going to be making a live withdrawal to show you guys that what I'm talking about here actually works. All right, so okay, once you just create an account, let's assume that my balance right here is empty. Let me show you guys how you can get to earn free XRP and get to withdraw it. All right, so the first way to earn from this website is you can simply copy this code right here and paste it on your Binance to get to claim free coin. All right, so this is not part of what we're going to be talking about right here on this video. All right, so what we're going to be talking about here is simply how to earn free XRP by playing game, claiming every minute, claiming in the daily, and also claiming through the coupon. All right, so that's what we're going to be talking about right here. Let's start with the game. So right now I'm going to be clicking on the game section. So over here, you simply need to play any of this game for you to be able to earn yourself free XRP. Let's start with this one, Bitcoin. So once you click on the game, this is what you're gonna be seeing. So right now, you simply need to click on play, then the game will load up for you. You just need to arrange this puzzle before this time right here elapse. All right, so you just need to keep tapping it in the same direction so that all of them will align automatically. All right, so that's what you need to do right here to play the game. It is very, very easy as ABC. All right, so you can see how I'm playing it right now, and you can see how they are getting arranged automatically. All right, so this is simply how it is, and this is simply how you play the game. And you can see, boom, I just earned myself about 19,000 Satoshi in XRP. Okay, so what I need to do right now is to simply click on save, and you can see right here that I just claimed my repo successfully. So I will click on OK. So the same thing is applicable to all those things that you just saw right there. You can play the game multiple times and you can earn unlimited XRP from this app. All right, so right now I have to click on claim by minute, so I have to tap on it. So over here, I'm going to be explaining only one of these, and the same thing, the same principle is applicable to all of them. All right, so right now I have to click on basic spin. Let me show you guys how it is done. So right here, all you got to do is to simply get to spin this wheel right here. Once you spin on it, you can claim randomly any amount of coin right here. So I have to click on spin like this. You can see how it's rolling up, then right now, and boom, I just got around 17,000 Satoshi in XRP. So right now I have to click on save, and you can see right now that I have simply claimed this and it has added up right now. I have to click on OK. And so right now you can see the third one is the daily claim. Over here you can claim it every single day without doing anything. So right now I have to click on it like this. And right here all you got to do is simply click on claim now like this. I have to click on it. You can see, are you sure you want to claim the bonus? Simply yes. Okay. And you can see right now I just claimed it successfully. So I have to click on OK. And over here you can see right now this is the daily coupon. Over here on the daily coupon, so over here guys, on the daily coupon, all you got to do is simply join either the Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, they are going to be giving you a code that you need to paste right here for you to be able to claim free tokens. So right now I'm going to have to go back like this. Let me now talk about the withdrawal. So to withdraw, you need to come down right here. You can see over here that you need to click right here on your control panel. Once you click on control panel, you click on payout. So once you click on payout, you can see these are the last 10 transactions that was done on this platform, and all the withdrawal were done into Binance. We're withdrawn to Binance. So right now you need to click on redeem. Once you click on redeem, you can see over here that I'm gonna be selecting my withdrawal method. I have to click on this code, the drop down, and select Binance. So once I click on Binance, then I have to select enter your Binance XRP Ethereum address. I have already saved it right here, so I have to just come down right here. You can see over here that the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 XRP Satoshi in XRP, and over here I have got around 0.3 XRP. So I'm going to be clicking continue right now. So make sure you get to a Binance account and get your XRP under Ethereum blockchain. Get the address and paste it right here. Okay, I just got back. So I have to click right here and make sure that your address is right there. So right now all you have to do is simply click on continue like this. Let's see, we're gonna have it right here. You can see over here that my withdrawal requested successfully, and I have to wait for around 24 hours before it's gonna reflect, and in most cases it doesn't take up to that. So right now let me go back to my, you can see over there that my balance is now 0. Let me go back to my Binance and see what I have right there. And over here guys, on my Binance I have to click on my wallet, and over here you can see over here that nothing has yet reflected right here. And when I go to my spot balance, you can see that nothing has yet reflected right here. And when I go to my funding balance, also nothing, you can see the balance hasn't increased yet. So right now I need to wait up on the, I need to wait until the withdrawal gets processed, and I have to reflect, it has to reflect right here on my Binance account for us to mark this value. So I'm gonna be pausing the video right now to continue it when the withdrawal has been processed successfully into my Binance account.